What's up? What's up? This your boy SR Rico back for another one. I hope y'all digging the hat because I know I am. What we're gonna do in this video today is install the valves. I got brand new valves, stock valves, but brand new. I already lapped them. And we got the, like I said in the last video, we got the head resurfaced. Got the Brian Crowder single hard valve springs. And we just came from AutoZone, renting the valve spring compressor. So let's install the valves and then the springs. Here's the BC Brian Crowder single valve springs, extra super stiff. That's what she said. And here's my keepers. Valves are over there. So let me set y'all up and let's get to it. See that fresh new deck, baby? Woo, woo. Now, these are the exhaust valves. So, booyah. Last two for the exhaust. Fail. Now we just gonna lay the head down. Okay, so now we want to take our springs. The keepers are in here. And just place each spring over each valve. now that we have all the intake valves in, let's start on the exhaust side. Now I know you guys see me stop, like I'll say maybe around like the second valve in that last clip, because man, with that tool, I was just getting so frustrated. Anybody that's doing, you know, changing valve seals or doing valve job, valve springs, anything in that nature, buy a really good valve spring compressor tool. The one I rented at AutoZone, pure garbage. Like I went through the first intake valves, pretty good. It's just towards the end, man, the tool was just getting really finicky and I was just getting really frustrated. So I suggest you guys to buy a real name brand valve spring compressor. It would save you so much trouble. So this is how the head look as we speak right now. She's looking real nice. So, but that's really all for today. Well, I should say tonight. And yeah, you know, hope you guys liked the video. This is a quick one, you know, just doing a little valve spring install. But for all the new subs, hope you guys like the video. Thumbs me up, and if you don't like me, thumbs me down. It's your boy SI Rico. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.